Buckler, all of a sudden, Rosalie, I talk, I town. All of a sudden, Rosalie, I the talk, I the town. Eh? You don't come off a Rosalie, no, man. You don't come off a Rosalie. Funny fish go straight back to Ivany. You don't come off a Rosalie. You know, so you don't like see people happy. Make you no bad mind, so nobody in a phone no business, you know. You don't leave Rosalie alone, man. You don't come in like a skirmish to blood clot. You don't just dip on the woman name. And you don't come with nothing positive. You don't just negative, so. You know why problem? You not jealous. You not jealous, say Rosalie make you all that money. And you not just sit down and watch and for nothing just a crumble. So you know if you jump on Rosalie name now, if you make a little thing. You see what I go on, man. Rosalie, you know see what I go on to? Eh? All of a sudden, everybody a jump on your missus. All the people them we are around say Akeem kiss. Oh, no, so blood. Wait, you know want Akeem come kiss you, no? You know, look at germs, you know, blood clot. You know, leave the people them alone and make we get to enjoy the series. That me I tell you, no. And don't make me feel, hey, don't play with me, you know. You don't play with me. And people, you not tag me and I think them when they drop. Listen, some of the time I don't see thing them, I want to not tag me and the thing them when I don't see them drop. So I can just do my thing. For all our people and we ask for reviews, listen, I was a little busy. It was my birthday. Okay? You can come send me some gift. Thank you.